Hello, it's Lee Bernstein here from LoyaltyDog, and I'm here to introduce you to our voucher module, which is a module that we've recently added to the LoyaltyDog platform. This module allows you to create three types of offers: a signing up offer, or if you like, a welcome offer, a birthday offer for your customers to send them a birthday greeting each year, and an offer called Other, which allows you to create ad hoc promotions and send gifts and rewards and incentives to people who are not members of your loyalty program. So let's go jump into the vouchers section and have a look at what we have. So on the left hand side is the vouchers tab, like we have all the other tabs in our system. If we go to there, and we have a page opening up with all the vouchers or passes that we have created. We go to the green icon on the right hand side, click on that to create a new pass. I'll go through the fields on this pass creation form briefly. We have three forms to go through. One is a welcome pass, which is the first one on the list. Then there's a birthday pass, and then there's the other pass. We also have a detailed video on our LoyaltyDog channel that shows you how to create an offer, and this is very similar to that process. So we start off with a name for our offer. Let's say welcome. And then we've chosen the pass type. In this case, it's a welcome pass. We can decide to give customers a percentage or a fixed amount, as we normally know, and into the discount value. Currency of the country that you're in is what you have to choose. And then you can apply these conditions. No condition applied, the value of the most expensive or the value of the cheapest item. This is written up in detail in the accompanying notes and also on the video that I mentioned a few moments ago. And then you can choose the categories and products from which to select items. And finally, we come to the limitation screen, where here you have you express in hours. You put in hours how many hours the voucher is valid for. So in this case, 336 hours is 14 days. You can add or decrease that as much as you like. The offer is, and that starts ticking from the time that the offer is received by the customer, and he'll receive it by email the same time that he signs up to the program. Limit per customer is 1, and the availability count, you don't have to worry about that right now. And then the required fields that the customer has to have completed to be able to receive this offer. If we take a quick look at the program tab, and we go over here to look at the additional fields, we now have the ability to mark fields that people complete as mandatory or not. If they're ticked, they're mandatory fields. We've also added you might want to add a date if you haven't done so already, with DOB as a name for the internal system, and birthday date or whatever you want to write in the display name, and you want to mark it required so that you can it can be used in the system to determine when to send the second type of voucher, which is of course the birthday voucher. So we can put the name of the birthday voucher. It's a birthday type as a percentage, and if we come straight down here to the limitations, because all the rest is the same, you can decide how many hours before the birthday should be issued. So in this case, it's 5 days before the birthday. You can decide to issue the day before the birthday, and this is 2 weeks after. So you can put however many hours you want to put, 700 hours. So you can maybe even capture a whole month. So the birthday voucher can be used throughout the month, and the required fields are there as well. And finally, we go and have a look quickly at the other offer. Special offer. We go to the bottom here. This is the same. The discount amount, conditions, and all this is the same as we've seen in the previous two forms. And then we have the same as we have on the welcome offer in terms of expiry of hours and limits and availability count, and of course the fields that are required. I hope that's given you a taste of what the vouchers contain. There's more information in the document that was sent with you when we introduced this new module. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact Lee at LoyaltyDog or come to our support site, support@loyalty.dog. Thank you very much.